up, Wheelers? I have a bunch of Easter eggs from this last Easter egg hunt. Now I just want to show you. Let's see what we got here, okay? Let's have a seat. All right, take a look at this. Oh, what is this? Got some hex wrenches. And then take a look at this. That's a sticker with my logo on it. JC, Jimmy Chang, or Just Create, because that's what I do. I just create. All right, let's open up some of these things. Let's see what we got here. Okay, I'm excited. Oh wow, look at this. Ring pop. Hadn't had one of these in ages. Perfect. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, we've got a Land Surf sticker. Wow. Man, that's awesome. Now this one feels a little heavy here. What could this be? Whoa. Orange egg yields. This is a little orange plug cover. Perfect. Let's throw it on here. Come take a look. So you can see how it fits perfectly. And it's got a nice low profile. Not too tough to pull out. I like it. That is sharp. Okay. Wow. Whoa, this is really heavy right here. What? Look at this. Wow. You know what this is? These are some mini Fangs. Mini Fangs. Whoa, this one's heavy too. Ho! This is what we need. Another Fang. There we go. Look at that. Got my bling there. I know you guys are looking at my ring. Woo! Here we go. All right guys, so that's it. Really quickly, just installed these mini Fangs from the Easter Bunny. Actually, they were sent to me by Landsurf. Thank you, Matt Hoover, for sending these over for me to test out and to try. Being low profile, I just think it's just gonna be that much better. It's discreet, harder to see, and still adds the safety features of being able to mitigate the damage from a nosedive. Remember, Fangs, mini Fangs, can help mitigate the damage. It buys you a couple seconds when you do nosedive so that your body can react and jump off the board appropriately. At this point in the video, I want to go over the unboxing of the Fangs. The first thing that impressed me was how nicely everything was packaged. Very nice, very sleek. You only get one chance to make a first impression, and with the packaging of this product, it definitely leaves a very good first impression. So you can see here, these are the Fangs Minis 2.0. It is the next evolution in the Fang development. They're meant for riders wishing to use the bumpers for wheels or tricks, such as drags or just easier curb nudges or nose grind protection on steep ramps or dips. You also can use them for mitigation during nosedives to buy you a few precious seconds to try to recover from the nosedive or to prepare yourself for the inevitable fall. You can see that the mounts were made of a nice injection molded polymer, and then here we have the wheels. The wheels are actually the same width as the original Fangs, but they are just smaller in diameter, thus giving these Fangs Minis a smaller profile. You can see the hardware that came with it, and then a simple piece of instructions. So very elegantly packaged, very simple, very straightforward. With the Fangs Minis, you get dual ball bearings on each axle. You just pop them right into the wheel like so. And the other thing that they've improved on with this design is you can actually put the wheel into the mount before actually having to put the mount onto the board. So this makes setting it all up easy. So I recommend sliding the washer into the bottom of the mount just like so. Hold it like this and put the other washer onto the top of your wheel just like so. And then you slide the whole thing in, making sure not to shift it too much. There will be some shifting that occurs, and that's okay. to get everything to line up, just get the smaller of the hex wrenches, put that down through the holes, jiggle it around, and then everything should line up. Once everything is lined up, you get the appropriate screw and the square nut, and you'll be able to tighten everything together. Very easy. You don't have to do any drilling. You don't have to do any alterations to your board. So once that setup is all put together, you're going to tighten everything up, and then you'll get the remaining screw, the one with the round, thicker head. It probably has a more technical name. Use a little muscle, pop it down in there, and then it's ready to go onto your board. Just take out the screws that are on your board, pop this in, and you are good to go. What else did the Easter Bunny give me? Mini Twix. Perfect. And oh, well, that's one of the things about chocolate in an Easter egg on a hot Easter day. Chocolate melts. Empty! Wow, rip off. Rice Krispie treats. Man, my lucky day. I don't know what I like better. The Fangs or these mini Rice Krispie treats. We got ourselves some mini Fangs, mini Rice Krispie treats. Thank you to the Easter Bunny for sending me all these goodies. Thank you to Landsurf for sending me these mini Fangs and this pretty cool plug thing. Easter Bunny sent me the ring pop. Landsurf sent me this.